Hello friends, in this video we will write a Python code to return indices of occurrence of a word in a list. I have my input list, which is the winners of soccer World Cups from 1930 to 2022. My requirement is to find which World Cup did Argentina win from the beginning. For example, if I take Uruguay won first World Cup and the fourth World Cup, so my code should return 1 and 4. To start the code, first I will create an empty list called countries, and then I will iterate over each element in this winners list, and I will split each element in the list based on this space dash space as the separator, and then I'll take the second part of each separated list, which is the name of the country. Let's run the code and see. As expected, this is my list. Now if we can find the index of each element where the name is Argentina, that is it. There can be multiple ways to do this. I will use this enumerate function. The enumerate function returns an object and it consists of each element and the index of that element as comma separated pairs. First I will run this enumerate function. This is the enumerate object, and obviously you can't see any information here. It's just an identifier for the enumerate object. So I will use this asterisk to unpack the enumerate object. As I explained, now you can see that the index and the element are put as comma separated values in this enumerate object. Next, we will write a code to extract the index of each of these elements so that we can complete our requirement. To do that, I will write a for loop to iterate over this enumerate object, and I will take the index and the name of the element as two separate outputs for two reasons. The first reason is then I can filter the output based on where the country name is Argentina, and the second one is you can see the Python index starts with 0, but Uruguay won the first World Cup. So 1 should be added to all these indices to correct the numbers. So I iterate over the enumerate object, then I filter it based on the name of the country, and then add 1 to the position, which is our index. Let's run this and see what happens. This is the output. Now we can see Argentina won 11, 13 and 22. This number is correct because I checked it, and also we know obviously that Argentina won the 22nd World Cup in 2022. To validate it further, you can just check it for Uruguay. And then we get 1 and 4, which is expected. This is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel to see similar videos. Thank you and happy learning.